This is Kilbride Creek, just downriver in the central part of Kilbride. Diana and I have 6 acres straddling the creek up to the top of the embankment here. So basically like living in a park, which the dog really enjoys. I'm standing on a log jam, sort of in the middle of the creek here. To get this view. This is a very distinctive tree. One of only a few ironwood on the property. You can see the long, stringy bark hanging off the tree. And then up near the top are leaves that kind of look like smaller beech leaves. And then speaking of beech, right behind me, one of a handful of American beech with the smooth silvery bark. This is a younger one here. This is another shot of the beech. Going way up. This is a native black cherry that was badly damaged during the ice storm a number of years ago. Most of its branches were taken off, but you can see how nice and full it's coming back in again. So starting to turn into a nice tree. Here I am standing on another log, which forms a nice ice dam in the middle of the winter, giving some nice deep ponds. Looking north again. Here's a bush completely overlooked by the landscape industry. This is called Bladdernut. It has fruit bodies almost like a Chinese lantern with little seeds in it. They're kind of nut-like. And then in the fall when it dries out, they'll actually be rattled by the wind, and you can hear the nuts rattling inside the bladder. Meanwhile, this thing is full of flowers this year. So here's the flower. And some more. This is a chokecherry, so the chokecherries are in bloom now too. And this is another plant pollinated by insects. So there's all kinds of bees up here and other kinds of insects as well. And when you look through the underbrush of this forest, probably over half of it is chokecherry. You can see more flowers here.